Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into an interesting problem. The issue at hand revolves around the gaps in a certain specification, leaving us with unanswered questions on how certain examples should behave. It's a common problem faced by developers when the standard doesn't provide clear guidelines, leaving room for interpretation and confusion. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. As detailed in the provided information, the specification lacks clarity on the behavior of Lambda expressions in certain scenarios. The unique, unnamed non-union class type, known as the closure type, adds to the complexity, with default template arguments potentially needing to be instantiated multiple times within the same template. The ambiguity surrounding the re-instantiation of Lambda expressions arises. The lack of explicit explanation in the standard leaves us to ponder the possibilities and implications. In summary, we've explored a perplexing problem in the specification and uncovered the uncertainties surrounding Lambda expressions and default template arguments. Despite the gaps in clarity, we've gained insight into the potential complexities involved. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Remember, coding mysteries may abound, but together, we can navigate them with wit and curiosity. Happy coding!